Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix WhatsApp Save Photos Twice issue on Android easily. So this only means that you have turned on the automatic save on your storage and data. So what you're going to do here is you have to open your WhatsApp, and in case that you don't want to save your photo twice and you want to save only those photos you want to save, then it's very easy. As you can see here, if you have turned on this automatic save, then you don't need to save this photo because you will see these photos on your gallery. Now to turn off that, all you have to do is go to this three dots and then tap settings. Now next is you have to scroll down and then tap this storage and data. Now here in storage and data, you have to scroll down till you see this media auto download, and all you have to do is to turn off each. So untick this one. Okay, remove the check on these boxes. Click OK. Okay, so that's it. So if someone sent you a photo, it will not be automatically saved on your gallery, photo or video. So it's up to you what photo you want to save or what video you want to save on your gallery. So let's just say this one, you just want to save this picture, not the other one. So just tap this three dots and then tap save. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.